Here we go! We're going to do a video. Here we go. There's no bike over there. I don't think you can see it. It's in the woods. Uh-oh. He's bailing out. Uh-oh.
Look at the guys. Look at the guys.
Stop the bike. Uh-oh. Look at the guys. They're doing gardening. Stop it. Stop the bike.
No.
Stop riding. Right, good. Here I go. There's Ambu. He's going to be the cameraman.
Pause it.
No, I can't. It's going to stay on video. Alright.
Okay, give it to me.
Alright, hold on. Get off your bike. It's too dangerous.
I'll just film it right here.
No!
Right here.
You've got to get off your bike. Right. Here, put it around your neck so you don't drop it.
Oh my god.
Right, you don't have to press any buttons. It's already recording. Here I go. I'm going to jump over the ice pile.
Wait, time out. Let me back up. Roderick's gonna attempt to jump over the ice pile.
The stunt of the day. Hold on. Stunt of the day. Here I go. Oh! Oh! Jeez! Oh! Oh! No! Jesus Christ! Stupid bloody bike! Holy crap! Stupid bike! Stupid shit! Stop me! Everything's okay, I'm at work!
There's still some snow on the ground.
Oh!
I didn't know I was speaking British, but okay. Do it again, Roderick.
What?
Do it again. Do it again.
No.
Yeah. Do it again.
It hit.
For YouTube.
I'll do it for my viewers.
Yeah. Rob MLS King 96.
I'm doing this again.
This kid is mad insane. Look at that kid.
It goes again.
Here we go
No
again.
quick.
There it is.
He really. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh.
Like it's trapped on. It's trapped under the mic.
Oh. Jeez. Oh. Ow. Everything's alright.
His leg is stuck.
I think I can get out this time.
He's in the snow. Meanwhile, it's
Whoa.
starting to melt. It's kind of crazy.
Eat that, Skunk McNugget. Skunk McNugget. Caramelized because you suck. Jesus Christ.
Rob, do pantyhose. Rob, do pantyhose.
What?
Do pantyhose.
Oh.
Do pantyhose.
Pantyhose. Oh. Pantyhose.
Okay, that's enough.
What? Are you still recording?
Yes.
Alright, don't turn it off. What you do?
One more for the viewers.
No. We do different stunts. How long
That is my bike.
How long has the video been?
3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Like, stop.
I didn't know I was speaking British right now. We don't.
Hold on. Now for some real stunt. Stay there.
Yeah, Roderick. What are you doing? We can't see you. Oh no, he's coming towards me. Oh no. What are you doing? Four minutes, 35 seconds. We're really not British.
Funny, come closer. It sounds funny. You might pee your pants. Warning. This funny noise might make you pee your pants. Oh my god, my pantyhose!
Don't say that.
That felt good. Well done, Molest King 96. Watch him! Watch him! Yeah! That's good.
Oh no. Oh, what smells like peppermint? See, there's broken glass on the thing. Jeez.
What the teenagers? Hey, I'm a teenager. 17-year-olds.